How to manage hidden words on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now simply tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now on the settings page, simply scroll down. Now under how others can interact with you, simply find hidden words. Then simply tap on it. Now tap on manage custom words and phrases. Now tap on add words. Now add a word, then tap on add. Now under that option, you can simply enable hide comments for that hidden words. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.